In this video, I want to dive a little deeper into the meaning of the formula for finding area of a rectangle and ask the question, why does multiplying the side lengths of a rectangle give us the area? So one thing that we need to remember is that when finding area, we're looking at square units. So we're always looking for squares. How many squares fill up the inside of this shape? So if you can remember that we're looking for square units, that will really help you to understand area a lot better. So because we're looking for square units, we can think about different segments of this rectangle that are made up of a line of square units. So just like we did in our last video, I'm just going to break this rectangle down into 4 different lines. And in each line, we have 7 square units. So we have 7 square units, and I color-coded them here so you could kind of see the different lines. 7 pink square units, 7 blue square units, 7 yellow square units, and 7 red square units. So we're actually adding 7 square units 4 times. And if you remember back when you learned about addition and multiplication, that multiplication is really just repeated addition. So what multiplication means is I'm adding 7 4 times. So here I'm actually taking the square units from each of these pieces, and they are the same amount. They are all 7 units long, the squares, 7 square units long. And I'm doing that 4 times. So that is what we're really doing when we're taking the length times the width. Length times the width is sometimes confusing for students because they don't understand, well, if I'm multiplying length and width, I'm multiplying two one-dimensional units. The length is 7 units, and the width is 4 units. How do I get squares out of that, right? So just thinking about it in terms of adding repeatedly lines of squares. So I have 7 square units 4 times. That might help you to visualize and to think more about why we end up with square units when we find the area of a rectangle. Hope this helps.